Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards. Today, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the details. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi is designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing excellent performance for gamers and content creators alike. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th gen processors, making it a versatile choice for Intel users. Depending on your CPU preference, one of these motherboards may be more suitable for your build. When it comes to PCIe support, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi offers PCIe 5.0, which provides faster data transfer rates and improved performance for high-end graphics cards and storage devices. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi features PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, may not deliver the same level of performance for future-proofing your build. This difference can be crucial for gamers and professionals looking to maximize their system's capabilities. Price is always a significant factor when choosing components for your build. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi is priced at $219, reflecting its premium features and robust design. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi is more budget-friendly at $169, making it an attractive option for those looking to save without sacrificing too much performance. Ultimately, your choice may come down to your budget and the features that matter most to you. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboards offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you are building with an AMD Ryzen 7000 processor and want cutting-edge features, the ASUS board is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer Intel processors and are looking for a more budget-friendly option, the MSI board is a solid contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.